This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Suzy Weldon. Move-in ready 20-year-old mobile home, impeccably maintained and ready for a new location. This charming residence has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a split floor plan offers a fantastic opportunity for relocation. Enjoy the flexibility of placing this well-kept home in the location of your choice. Boasting a wood-burning fireplace, kitchen island, formal dining, and large master suite, it presents a unique chance for a fresh start in a home that's both affordable and adaptable to your preferences. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzy Weldon at 479-746-8690.